Hello everyone! Today we continue working with raglan sleeves. We'll show you how to iron fabric and how to insert sleeves. We'll also show you how to edge the armholes with fabric adhesive. The thing is that the fabric on the armholes was cut in a bias, so you can easily damage it if you do something wrong. Svetlana will help me today. I remind you that we are making just a mock-up, so we are not going to make the whole dress. We'll make just one half of the dress as an example. Svetlana will take the sleeve out, steam it, and edge. I will show you what to pay attention to. Svetlana is stitching the edges with the Novolog sewing machine now. When they're ready, we can start taking the sleeve in. First, I want to show you how to steam the shoulder seam in order not to damage it. You need to be very careful and attentive when taking the shoulder seam. Don't stretch or gather fabric. The details should match. Notice how the sleeve looks like now. It's because the details are a bit different. It's absolutely okay. The width of the seam is 1 centimeter. When we finish stitching, we'll edge it with the Novolog sewing machine. We're pressing the seam close to the back. You can press it to the front as well. It's up to you. You need to be very careful when steaming this round part. You can't iron it like a straight part. Put it on a round surface. This part should stay round. Don't make it flat. This is the only right way to iron raglan sleeves. Have a look at the sleeve. It's at the correct shape now. This is how it should look like. Very beautiful. Now we'll iron this seam. And then we'll show you how to prepare the armholes. Have a look at the armhole. It's obvious that it should be doubled. You can see that this detail stretches. It's because it was cut neither on lengthwise nor the crosswise grain. If it stretches even more after stitching and ironing, an iron won't fit you. You can already see a wave here. Here shouldn't be any. We need to iron it. You need to check if there are any folds on the armholes and iron them if there are. When you see that the armhole is perfect, you can double it with fabric adhesive. Of course, you shouldn't use white adhesive for dark clothes. We do it for you to see everything clearly. This fabric adhesive stretches a bit. This is how you should double the armhole. You can't insert sleeve without doing it. Now we can tack the sleeve in. We'll show you how to do it, tell you what to pay attention to, and how to press the seam close. Let's go to a sewing machine. First, we need to pin the sleeve to the armhole. You shouldn't gather a sleeve, but you shouldn't stretch it neither. It should be a bit loose. It's better to tack a sleeve if you are not absolutely sure that pinning is enough for you. We already have a notch in the place where the side seam should be inserted in the armhole. It's because we've already tacked this sleeve one time. Pin the second side the same way. Because of the fact that we've already tacked the sleeve, it's already adjusted for the armhole. I'm telling you once again that you can't make a raglan sleeve without both a seam and a tuck. A sleeve should fit a shoulder, and shoulders are not flat. Notice that the sleeve is not stretched. It fits the armhole pretty loose. Let's start stitching. The width of the seam is 1 centimeter. We're not afraid of stretching fabric anymore because we've already doubled it. Be very careful. I remind you that we just show you techniques. We have to be able to sew for ourselves. I feel sick each time I go shopping. Items I see in malls are not worth buying, especially for people of big sizes. You need to be very careful when stitching. We're making a mock-up, so we can allow ourselves be fast. Don't hurry, the seam is almost ready. If the color of a fabric adhesive doesn't match the color of fabric, make the adhesive stripe narrower, 4 mm wide for example. Fabric adhesive shouldn't be seen. Have a look at the sleeve. You can see that the shape is perfect. The sleeve is inserted accurately. I think that it's amazing. Let's go to an overlock sewing machine. Notice that we stitch the seam from the sleeve side and we edge it from the dress side. This white adhesive doesn't look good, but I wanted you to see everything clearly. Let's go to an ironing desk. Have a look at the seam. It's perfect. It's doubled, stitched, edged. Now we can press it close to the sleeve. This is how the seam will look like from the right side. It will help the sleeve be a bit loose. We should press the upper part of the seam this way and the lower like the usual armhole. This is the upper part of the sleeve. And this is the lower. We showed you everything very thoroughly. I wasn't planning to show you the whole process, but how could I stop halfway? Right now I'm really happy that this line is straight. It's much easier to work with it. Now we need to iron the lower part of the sleeve. Iron it from the sleeve side just like a usual armhole. Notice how the sleeve looks like. Shoulder seam and the armhole sleeves. Front and back ones. Due to the fact that we've pressed the seam close to this side, the seam looks even better. The lower part of the sleeve shouldn't be pressed close. Iron it from the sleeve side just like a usual armhole. Now you know how to make a perfect, comfortable raglan sleeve. Don't be afraid of applying different techniques. Everything will be okay if you understand them. You need to work slowly, carefully, and attentively. If you do everything accurately, you won't have any problems. If something isn't clear for you, watch a video several times and ask questions. I will try to help you. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.